Do you think Thanos was right? Well, it's highly debatable, but it goes without saying that we're indeed the killer of our own environment. However, we mustn't forget that technology can both be a bane and a boon. And now, because of the magic of technology, we can fly without feeling guilty about our carbon footprint. Plus, we're talking about the world's largest aircraft. Insane, right? Stay tuned, guys. You are about to see the future. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, where we explore cutting-edge innovations to help you get the most out of your technology. If you're looking for the latest trends in tech, or just want to stay ahead of the curve, then subscribe to the channel and join us as we dive deep into the world of tech and discover the amazing possibilities technology can bring. With that being said, let's start. Beginning in 2026, NOSTRUM will be the first airline to use the emission-free Airlander 10 airship on short-haul trips throughout Spain. An aircraft reservation agreement for its zero-emission Airlander 10 aircraft has been announced by Hybrid Air Vehicles, a pioneer in sustainable aviation technology located in the UK, and NOSTRUM Group. In a historic agreement, one of Europe's leading regional airlines, NOSTRUM, will serve as the Hybrid Airlander 10 airship's launch client. In fact, to reduce its flight emissions by as much as 90%, the airline has allocated 10 Airlander 10 airships for use on its domestic routes in Spain. So we must say that the aviation industry is on the cusp of a major revolution, as futuristic technology promises to drastically reduce emissions and drastically improve the environment. This means less carbon footprint, less noise pollution, and a healthier planet overall. Because of this, the potential of hybrid planes, you can see why the excitement is growing for what the future holds for the aviation industry. The environment can be saved from the damage caused by traditional fuel-burning aircraft. It's an exciting time for aviation, and the possibilities for the future are endless. All thanks to NOSTRUM and HAV. Regional airline NOSTRUM is situated in Valencia and is formerly known as NOSTRUM Líneas Aéreas del Mediterráneo, SA. It now runs as an affiliate member of the One World Airline Alliance and an Iberia regional franchisee. 51 locations are served by 91 local and international routes run by NOSTRUM, in addition to charter flights. Valencia Airport serves as its primary base, and Barcelona Airport and Madrid Barajas Airport serve as hubs. Limited operations are also carried out on behalf of Brussels Airlines, which began operations in late 2018 to replace linked wet lease specialized airline CityJet. Additionally, IDIO, a Spanish high-speed rail service that started running in November 2022, is partially owned by NOSTRUM. Due to the excellence of its crew, onboard amenities and airport service, NOSTRUM is recognized as a 4-star regional airline. The greatest airplanes and helicopters are combined with lighter-than-air technology to create hybrid air vehicles, which are the world's leading hybrid aircraft and give them entirely new capabilities. They are almost the only flying vehicles that make less noise, have less pollution, and have a less carbon footprint, have a greater range, and can carry more cargo. FYI, an airship with a twist took off from Maguire AFB in New Jersey 10 years ago in August. The US Army's long-endurance multi-intelligence vehicle, a massive aerial surveillance platform, was built mostly by Northrop Grumman. Although the UK startup Hybrid Air Vehicles was responsible for its groundbreaking design. The US Army ended the initiative a few months later, and the structure was given back to its creator along with the sensitive equipment. Since then, Bedford-based HAV has been attempting to revive this idea as Airlander 10, a 91-meter-long flying hull that blends technology from the First World War's lighter-than-air period with aerodynamic lift and vector drive. In the 10 years after the long-endurance multi-intelligence vehicle, HAV, has been on a marathon journey that has required a significant amount of fundraising, plenty of publicity, and multiple flights of a prototype that was ultimately irreparably destroyed after 2 hard landings. Finally, HAV is prepared to begin manufacturing the largest airplane in the world this year and has secured its first clients. Unidentified premium tour companies will receive the first 3 manufacturing units from HAV. While regional carrier Air Nostrum of Spain has secured 10 spots, the business is going to reveal the site of a plant in Doncaster, South Yorkshire, where it intends to be producing at least 12 prototypes yearly by 2028, with 90% of its suppliers already on board. A significant increase in funding is necessary to move from a research and development startup to a volume manufacturer. This has been the toughest challenge, along with persuading potential clients in the military, leisure, and logistics industries of the platform's game-changing potential. To bring Airlander 10 into production and assist its introduction into service, HAV is developing an effective forward investment program. As part of the endeavor, the business will shortly look for an IPO, initial public offering. In marketer, a merger with a special purpose acquisition company that is already publicly traded, an option selected by many producers of electric vertical takeoff and landing systems. Before coming to an agreement, NOSTRUM Group and HAV studied and modeled the operation of Airlander 10 on domestic Spanish aviation routes, as well as the expenses involved. The Airlander 10 aircraft are planned to supplement the present Air Nostrum fleet, which flies these routes and emits around 1/10 as many hazardous emissions as conventional aircraft. The South Yorkshire Mayoral Combined Authority, Doncaster Council, and other regional and national partners are in discussions with HAV about plans to produce Airlander 10s as part of a new green aerospace manufacturing cluster there. As we move to cleaner forms of flying, hybrid aircraft might play a significant role, and it is good to see UK at the forefront of technology's development. HAV anticipates that Airlander 10 will be the first significant aircraft to fly emission-free with a carrying capacity of 100 passengers, or 10 tons. The model is already the largest of the world's most energy-efficient aircraft, and more advancements in the electric motor technology are being made. The Airlander 10 is a sustainable aviation option for short-haul domestic routes because of its 4,000 nautical mile range and ability to fly at 20,000 feet. The hybrid electric aircraft has 4 engines, and by 2030, all of them should be totally electric, allowing for an airplane with 0 emissions. The airships, which use helium and power to stay aloft, can accommodate 100 passengers. A hybrid aircraft can fly thanks to a mix of aerodynamic lift like an airplane, lifting gases like an airship, and vectored propulsion like a helicopter, according to the HAV website. Up to 40% of the lift produced by Airlander comes from aerodynamics, the movement of air over the hull, and the remaining 40% comes from a buoyant lift caused by the helium. Airlander 10 will emit 75% less than a typical aircraft with comparable cargo because of its helium-filled hull and aerodynamic lifting surfaces. An all-electric version will be 0 emission, while the hybrid arrangement will increase that to 90%. This one will offer a 200 nautical mile range with a 10-ton payload, despite competitors perhaps being quicker. The Doncaster facility will feature 5 assembly bays. HAV has shortlisted 2 greenfield locations. The hull and the underslung composite cabin, which can hold 100 people in airline-style seats, are the 2 major supply chains in addition to the engines. HAV has also made interior design concepts for yachts that include sleeping areas. Well, we are all excited about this revolutionary invention, and we must say that this is a huge step towards a healthy environment. What do you think? Do you think that more steps like this one should be taken? Let us know in the comments below. And that's all for now. We hope you enjoyed the tour of the amazing technology. If you're as excited about it as we are, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. We'll see you in the next video soon. Thanks for watching.